Namaskar. We all know that healthy intestines are most essential for a good health. Today, I am going to tell you more about how to detox your intestines naturally. First, we will explore a powerful yogic technique called as Shankhaprakshalana. Then we will see a recipe for a delicious detox drink. From ancient times, yogis have been using Shankhaprakshalana technique to keep their intestines in good condition. This is because they knew the connection between intestine and our mind. That is why a practice of Shankhaprakshalana is a powerful technique. Are you ready to discover this ancient yogic technique? Shankhaprakshalana involves a series of steps specially designed to flush out toxins from the entire digestive tract. This practice is performed early in the morning with empty stomach. This practice can take a few hours to complete. First, let's understand the preparation. To begin, you need to prepare a solution of lukewarm water and salt. This is done by dissolving 2 teaspoons of non-iodized salt in a liter of water. This saline solution is gentle on your body and helps improve the cleansing process. Once your saline solution is ready, you must drink this solution gradually while performing specific yoga poses. These poses are very effective for directing the flow of water through your digestive system. The poses typically involve sequence of twisting, bending and stretching to facilitate the movement of water throughout your intestines. As you move through the process, the saline water helps loosen the toxins and accumulated waste. These get flushed out of your system. As you continue the practice, you will find yourself making more trips to the washroom. This is very natural and expected part of this process. As your body eliminates loosened toxins and waste, Shankhaprakshalana requires dedication, discipline, and a mindful approach. It is best to learn this technique under guidance of an experienced yoga teacher. Many people, after doing, feel very much light and energized. Now that we have seen the techniques of Shankhaprakshalana for detoxifying your intestines, let's move on to another good remedy, our green flush detox drink. For this, you will need following ingredients: 1 cucumber, 3 stalks of celery, 1 cup of fresh spinach, a few mint leaves, 1 lemon. Now let's start by washing all these ingredients thoroughly. Blend cucumber, celery, spinach and mint leaves in juicer. Strain the juice and then squeeze lemon juice into it. And your homemade green flush detox drink is ready. This would cleanse and nourish your intestine. Isn't that easy? This drink is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support your intestinal health. It is also very refreshing. Remember, including these home remedies into your routine can make a big difference in maintaining your health, whether you are practicing Shankhaprakshalana or enjoying your green flush. Try these remedies once every month on a separate day. And as always, listen to your body. Body speaks to you. Body has its own language to offer. And follow all these things for body's and mind's benefit. So take care. Namaskar.